Yo, what's good, YouTube? WCU Chris back in the building. I ain't recorded a video in a minute, so this is news for sure. But this is July 4th. We're finna do a little vlog. Got some fireworks tonight that I can show y'all. Then go downtown maybe and get into that. So we're gonna see how we get. My nephew Lano coming over in like hour or so. We finna go to the park and whatever. So I'm finna catch y'all up when he get here. And look at Big SRT. Yeah. Alright, I'll catch y'all in the next clip. Let's go in the circles. That's what we'll be doing at takeovers. Yeah.
That's it? I thought they're supposed to explode.
Nah, that's not it. Oh. That's $50+. That's $50.
Hey, it said remove the plastic part.
Yeah, right here.
Oh, okay. I'm just making sure.
Run, Kev!
Why you recording me?
I'm gonna have all the money now in my hand. I collect it.
Wait.
When the beat drop, I need you to scream this shit.
I see a new camera. Look at that.
If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have shit.
Can you catch me? Trying to harass me. Telling me she don't fall in love often. Understand that you gotta impress me. Sneaky talking, she never address me. I be lying, she know it obsessed me. If I come with you, I just accept me and understand. Can't pay. All these demons that keep trying to test me. That's why I'm never saying what will you. She try to move on and then that wouldn't listen to me. I told that bitch I'll never disrespect. Understand?
If you wasn't on that, why the fuck was it on? I wanna be.
Yeah. Fuck what you saying, I get it, I got it, let's go. Let's go! Fuck what you saying, I get it, I got it, let's go. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Okay! You don't like how we say.
So, unfortunately, we did have to leave the races early before seeing the finals. But I'm pretty sure I saw on Facebook that the green Plymouth did end up winning versus the yellow Pontiac, I want to say. So, we didn't get to record the finals, but just to let y'all know, that is what happened. So, thank y'all for tuning into the video. More videos coming soon. Got a new phone, new camera. So, it's going to be a lot more high quality. So, appreciate you. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.